ang hirap mag-explain ng, ay hindi po ako pwede kumanta kasi wala po akong boses today.
Hello mga kapatid! Welcome to TV5 Exclusives. Basically, syempre, dinadala namin kayo behind the scenes para mas makilala nyo pa at makachikahan at makahangout natin yung mga paborito nating bituin na nakakasama natin at napapanood sa TV5. Nako, eto na, kailangan ko pa ba introduce? Kasama natin ang kaisa-isa ang minamahal nating concert queen, Miss Pops Fernandez!
Hello, Angel!
Alright!
Galing mo naman mag-intro. Non-stop, one breath. Nagmangha ako sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Alam mo naman, kailangan mo na umuwi. Hindi, pero syempre, bukod doon, maraming salamat of course dahil tinanggap nyo nga yung programa ng TV5 na For the Love. Yung pinaka-chika lang natin, syempre, ba't nyo muna tinanggap to? Paano to naibigay sa inyong, kasi alam namin, parang sa mga birthday ni MVP namin kayo nakikita.
Correct. Well, nung pinisend sa akin yung concept, nagandahan kagad ako because sabi ko, ay, madali lang yan. Sabi ko, mag-i-intro, extra ako ng mga love stories, love episodes. Hindi ko alam may extra challenge pala siya, may kantahan.
Oo. Ay, hindi pala nagbigay sa'yo yung detail na yun.
Akala ko konti lang, but I think the singing part makes it, adds a twist to the whole show.
And makes it different.
And makes it different. So, again, medyo, that's the challenging part for me, but I'm willing to take on the challenge to learn new songs. Hindi naman siya new actually. Familiar yung song sa kanila. For me, first time ko kasi kantahin, so I have to study them.
Wait, Miss Pops, ito na bago ang lahat. Gusto namin malaman, paano mo nakikip yung voice mo? Siyempre, nagbaon na kami ng mikropono para turuan mo kami. Paano ba sa umaga kumanta?
I'll be honest with you, ang tagal ko rin hindi kumanta, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi ako kumanta kasi isa rin ako sa nagkaroon ng very, very bad acid reflux.
May epekto pala yun?
Yes. Dati, nakakakanta pero hirap na hirap. So, nahihiya rin ako na siguro napakadali ng kanta, pero when I sing, kunyari, pag may party yan, i-invite ka, merong banda, papakantahin ka, nahihiya ako magsabi, oh, shucks, wala na naman akong boses.
Wait lang, ano to? So, hindi ka ma-attend ng party?
Nag-a-attend, pero syempre hindi mo sila mapahindian. Pero syempre, ako na-insecure ako na, shucks, ang pangit ng
Pero totoo yun, anong feeling mo? Kasi honestly, totoo lang, kapag inimbita kita, dream ko kumanta ka rin. Di ba?
Ngayon pwede na, kasi nag-boses
okay.
na ako ulit. Dati hindi talaga. At ang hirap mag-explain ng, ay hindi po ako pwede kumanta kasi wala po akong boses today. Parang every time na lang pinapakanta ko, yun ang excuse ko, di ba?
Oo.
So, it took a while. I took a long break. Hindi ako na-confident sa pagkanta ko. And then I decided, this is the truth, I decided to take lessons again.
Wow!
Ang dami ko mga hindi na ginawa.
Was this recent?
Couple of years ago. So, nung medyo nakapag-lessons na ako. By the way, my voice teacher is Annie of the company.
Oh, wow!
Alam mo, during pandemic kami nag-voice lessons and this is all through online, ha? And I really had to start from scratch. So, ngayon, unti-unti kong nasa-stretch at nahahanap uli yung placement.
Ganun pala yun, kaseryoso, pagka ikaw ay isang, OPM star, di ba? Na kailangan talaga
Kasi syempre
gabing
dapat
alaga.
tama. And it's all about discipline also. And I've learned how to really discipline myself.
Do you sing now in the morning or you parang vocalize?
Yes, I try to
But
vocalize.
can you do it? Paano ba yun?
Meron kasi binibigay na mga lessons.
Di ba?
Iba. Ours is more of binibigyan ako ng soft and it's really just the opening. It's hard to do kasi hindi ko siya naman memorize. But
Okay.
At the end of the day, it's really just it's the opening, the placement.
Of what?
The placement of your
Jaw?
yung mouth mo.
Oh my gosh.
And it depends on if you wanna use your head tone, and of course there's also the proper breathing, and then the proper use of your diaphragm. When you think about it, parang ang daming iniisip, di ba? Nung nagsistruggle na ako, mali na yung placement ko. So every time I would sing then, maling-mali na siya. So parati yan nasa-scratch yung throat
Ilang years
ko.
yun?
Matagal-tagal rin siya.
Oh my gosh.
Matagal
Pero
rin
buti
siya.
nung lockdown, nakuhanan mo ng pagkakataon yun. At next year, magkaka-concert concert ka na.
I think, yeah, kasi I figured it's, I'm still a singer, dapat talaga magawan ko siya ng paraan.
Actually, it just goes to show how great you are as an artist because you would acknowledge that learning is never ending.
Yeah, and hindi ko sinasabing galing-galing ko. I still want to learn some more, better techniques maybe.
May bago bang techniques na sabi mo, nagulat ka, may ganito na pala?
Again, it depends on your vocal coach, your vocal teacher. Siya kasi yung magbibigay ng mga exercises and she will figure out your weaknesses and your strengths. Siyempre, to widen also the range, magbibigay siya. Because you slowly have to stretch your voice, diba? To widen your range again for you to be more comfortable and confident again.
So, wow! So, every Saturday mapapanood ka namin kumakanta For the Love. Did you have a hand doon sa catalog na napagkalaki-laki ng Viva?
Wala. Okay lang yon. Kasi nga, minatch nila yung every episode to a certain song and that became the theme song of each episode. So they personally chose it. I guess it depends on the story of the love themes, no? So, okay lang yon because I got to learn new songs. Nung umpisa parang, syempre, iba yung tono sa akin. So, nahirapan ako. But once I learned it na, natutunan ko na ang ganda ng mga kanta. Actually, na-love rin ako dun sa mga kanta. So, ngayon, masasabi ko na ang dami ko na rin natutunan.
Wow!
Bagong kanta.
I love it. Na baka makasama sa concert mo next year.
Hindi natin na, syempre, there's a huge possibility, diba?
Kung ito, For the Love, balikan lang natin because yun na nga kanina we were talking about yung magiging format niya. You're gonna open it singing and then doon natin malalaman yung title nung show.
Episode.
And now, did you have kumbaga na-meet mo na ba, nakabonding mo na ba yung mga stars? Because the very difference of this show is that yung mga young stars ng Viva ngayon ay bibida sa mga kanta ng Viva Records.
Well, ito, yung mga little opportunities like this is the only chance that we really get to spend time together. We did our promo videos, our pictorials. So, doon kami nagsama-sama. So, magic talaga siya. This is really the magic of TV, no? Na pagko-connect siya. But, ang fun ng mga bagets, they seem to be very excited as well. Siyempre, it's a new project for them. And, yun na nga, based on yung alam kong mga stories na, no, makakapanood sila ng iba't ibang klaseng love story talaga.
Do you see yourself in any of the young stars right now?
I think they're smarter than us.
Pag-usapan natin yun. Oo, rin naman kasi yung paano kayo dumugi ng fans. Tsaka parang
Kaya nga,
sila
yung araw kasi-
na-pressure kayo, di ba?
Yes, at saka iba nga yung mundo ng araw, di ba? Iba yung industriya, iba yung technology. Ngayon kasi na-realize ko, hindi nagmamadali ang mga young stars. It's
Kung dati ba,
okay.
hindi mo rin lalagyan ng label sa relasyon mo?
Oo, kung pwede lang, no? Kaya lang kami, isa nga kaming product ng love team.
Oo.
Kasi, diba? And it's not bad because I fell in love, diba? But now I notice the kids, they are more in control. Most of them anyway are more in control of their emotions. They know what they're doing. Most of them know that this is just for work. So I think it works out better for them. Alam mo.
Sasabihin ko nga sana, no, pwede lang matutunan sa'yo. Kayo pala yung natuto sa kanila.
Correct.
I love that.
At hindi sila nagmamadali talaga.
But right now, maganda nga yung pinapakita nyo rin na you choose you. Because ngayon, sinasabi mo, wala kang love life. Hindi ka you're not looking for someone to compliment you at the moment. Ano yung nai-enjoy mo mag-isa ngayon na balakid nung may jowa ka?
Siyempre, madami. Now I get to decide on my own. I don't need paalam. I don't need to...
Were you that type of girlfriend before? Na
Siyempre, pag in love ka, di ba, kailangan. Anong oras ka nandito? Where are you going? Who are you gonna be?
Ay!
Mga ganyan, di ba? And I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the last minute decisions. When I say that, kasi di ba, yung parang, ay, punta tayo sa ganyan. Okay, walang problem. Wala akong schedule. Things like that. Or yung just really enjoying my life and my work, my children. But again, I'm not saying that my doors are closed. I'm open to falling in love again. But I want to, if it happens, I just want it to happen. Yung hindi because pinilit ko, kailangan akong ma-in love ngayon or whatever. You know?
That's so nice. And actually, magandang role model yan for, of course, women in your season. Kasi ngayon, iniisip natin, di ba, nung mga decades, maybe a decade ago pa lang, wala pa tayo sa ganitong klaseng mindset na, no, kahit anong decade ako sa buhay ko, kailangan may asawa na ako, may anak na ako, wala nang ganong expectation sa'yo.
I think iba na rin ang mga kababaihan kasi ngayon.
Oo.
Diba? We're really more into our professional careers also, especially the younger generation. I've noticed that. They are into their professional careers. They also want to, they're proud. They want to make a name for themselves. They want to be successful on their own before they dive into a commitment in a serious relationship. And I like that. I really respect that.
And honestly, that's why you're perfect for, naisegue ko for the love. Kasi inaamin mo na hindi ka matalino sa pag-ibig ng bata. At pinagdaanan mo na yan. At nandito ka na ngayon
Oo.
na independent woman ka.
Correct. And we've done a lot of things for the love. When you're in love, it has nothing to do with being stupid, no? You're in love because that's how you feel and you should enjoy every minute of it. Because mahirap rin naman to be in a relationship and then you're not in love. The best part is always being in love.
Oh.
And then you just have to learn from it. Some work out, some don't. And if it doesn't, just keep learning from it.
I love
And
it.
strengthen yourself.
So what did you do nung teenager ka? Yun na lang. Para lang word of
Na in
caution.
love ka agad ako, di ba?
Oo.
I mean, and maybe because, again, it was a product of a love
love
team,
team.
and at the same time, I didn't have a father figure. I wanted to be with, I was looking for a male
Figure in your life.
in my life.
Baka makaka-relate dyan.
And then everything happened so fast. And again, I was so young, first love. And again, there's nothing wrong with it. And siguro naman, approve ko rin naman na when I fell in love, I was responsible. I wanted to make it work out and to make it happen. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that.
But that was your beautiful story. And actually, maraming mapupulot doon, di ba? Na if you wanna do it, if you don't wanna do it, what to do it if you are there in that relationship. But of course, just to close this, eto, di ba? Ano yung pinaka-gusto mong ma-enjoy nila sa For the Love?
Aside from falling in love, hopefully with the songs that they hear, no, they will fall in love with the episodes. Because again, masarap rin namang nakaka-remind ng different types of love, di ba? Kaya nga, madami tayong pinapanood sa mga digital platforms ngayon. It still revolves around love, eh. Whether it's a mystery, a thriller, somehow love is still related there, di ba? So these types of different stories about love, lalong-lalo na syempre yung mga walang ginagawa in the afternoon. This might teach you a lesson, it might inspire you, or plainly, it will just entertain you because it's nakakakilig.
Oo, tsaka parang nakakamiss yung ganito rin sa showbiz. Sabi mo nga, ibang-iba na yung showbiz dati sa ngayon, na ngayon lang ulit tayo nag-inject ng may kantahan na may istorya. Parang wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa yata, yes. So hopefully.
Diba? Parang penthouse. Iisip ko penthouse na hindi kasi parang iba rin yung noon.
Yeah, it's really a
Oo.
musical talk show.
Yes, and this one is like an anthology.
And hopefully it works out and it also evolves into something else.
Let's
later.
claim it. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Miss Pops. Please invite everyone.
Thank you very much for the love. So sana po abangan nyo yan every Saturday.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
MJ.
Always a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you
Kahit
so
mga-
much.
Mag-open ka ulit ng mga tindahan mo.
Yes!
Ano-ano.
Alam mo naman ako, mahilig ako sa mga
Oo,
ganyan.
mga negosyo,
Yes,
o
yes, yes.
concert, o show. But I'm so happy that it's a show right now. For the Love, mga kapatid, yan po ang inyong TV5 exclusives. Abangan yan sa mga social media pages ng Kapatid Network. Tata!